In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Samsung phone with a PC. First, you need to download and install Samsung Smart Switch on your PC. This software is essential because it allows seamless communication between your phone and computer. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Samsung website. Look for the Smart Switch download link, which is usually easy to find. Once you locate it, click on the download button. The installation file will begin downloading. After it finishes, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the software. This step is important because having the latest version of Smart Switch ensures you have all the necessary features and updates for your device. Once Smart Switch is installed, go ahead and open the application. You will see the main interface, which is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. The layout typically features options for backing up your data, restoring it, or in this case, updating your phone. This step is crucial because it prepares the software to communicate with your phone. It might take a moment to load, just be patient, as this ensures everything is ready for the next steps. You will feel assured seeing the main screen, knowing you are on the right track. Next, connect your Samsung phone to the PC using a USB cable. Make sure you use a good quality cable to avoid any connection issues. Plug one end into your phone and the other into a USB port on your PC. Once connected, your phone should start charging, which is a good sign that the connection is established. This connection is vital for the update process, as it allows Smart Switch to access your device's software directly. If you see a notification on your phone asking for permission to allow access, make sure to grant it. If prompted, unlock your phone. This may involve entering your PIN, pattern, or using your fingerprint. Unlocking your phone is necessary for the software to proceed with the update. It's a straightforward step, but it's essential for security reasons. Your phone must be unlocked to ensure that no unauthorized changes occur during the update process. Now, wait for Smart Switch to detect your phone. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once successfully connected, the software will display your device information on screen. If an update is available, you will see a notification indicating it. This is a significant moment, as keeping your phone updated is crucial for performance and security. When you see the update notification, click the Update button. This action signals Smart Switch to begin the process of downloading the latest software for your phone. It's important to remember that updates often include performance enhancements and security patches. After clicking Update, you may need to click Continue to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions displayed by Smart Switch. The application will guide you through the necessary steps. This guidance helps ensure that you do everything correctly, reducing the chances of errors. It's a reassuring process, as the software is designed to make these updates as smooth as possible for users. Next, you will need to wait for the update to finish. This can take some time depending on the size of the update and your internet speed. During this time, it's crucial not to disconnect the USB cable. Disconnecting prematurely could interrupt the process and potentially harm your device. Once the update is complete, your phone will restart automatically. This final step is routine, as it allows the new software to take effect. After the restart, you can enjoy the benefits of the latest updates, ensuring your device runs smoothly and securely. Overall, following these steps ensures a successful update for your Samsung phone using your PC. Thank you for watching, and happy updating!